How are some creators making animated Stickman videos completely free, gaining over 90,000 subscribers in just 3 months, with barely 40 to 50 videos? And here's the crazy part. Most of their content doesn't even have complex animation. No advanced graphics, no expensive software, just simple Stickman characters, static images, and powerful storytelling. Yet they consistently pull massive views. So what's really happening behind the scenes? And more importantly, how can you do the same? In this video, I'm going to break down the exact step-by-step method to create animated Stickman videos using AI, 100% free, while keeping your character fully consistent across every scene. No drawing skills required, no paid tools, no prior experience, just smart use of AI and a clear structure. Everything starts with one thing, the script. For demonstration, I've set this example to 59 seconds, but this is completely flexible. If you want to create a 2-minute, 3-minute, or even 5-minute video, all you have to do is increase the number of scenes. For a short 30 to 60-second video, 5 to 6 scenes are enough. For a 2 to 3-minute video, you can go up to 20 or even 25 scenes. And don't let that number scare you, because once you understand the system, generating scenes becomes automatic. Here's the powerful part. With one well-structured prompt inside ChatGPT, you can generate your entire script, scene-by-scene breakdown, voiceover narration, image prompts, and even animation instructions, all at once. Instead of struggling creatively, you're directing the AI like a production assistant. If you don't already have a topic, simply ask ChatGPT to generate motivational or psychological video ideas. You'll get multiple options instantly. Choose one that sparks curiosity, something like why comfort is dangerous or the hidden cost of procrastination. Strong topics create strong retention. Once your topic is selected, paste your main prompt and let AI build everything for you automatically. Next comes image generation. Open Gemini, click Create Image, and upload a reference Stickman image. This step is extremely important because it ensures your character stays visually consistent across every scene. Then copy the image prompt for scene 1, paste it into Gemini, generate the image, and download it. Repeat the same process for each scene. After your images are ready, move to a free AI video generation tool. Upload your first image, paste the animation prompt, and generate a short animated clip. Upscale it to 1080p if the option is available, download it, and repeat the process scene by scene. Free tools usually have daily limits, but instead of trying shortcuts, just stay consistent and continue the next day. Remember, channels grow because of discipline, not hacks. Now it's time for the voiceover. Use any reliable free text-to-speech platform. Paste your script in sections if there's a character limit. Test different voices. Choose one that sounds natural and emotionally engaging. Download the final audio. Finally, import everything into your video editing software. Arrange your clips according to the scene order. Add the voiceover. Trim and match timing carefully. Add subtle background music. Nothing overpowering. Keep it clean and focused. Simple editing combined with strong storytelling always performs better than flashy distractions. And that's it. No expensive animation software, no professional drawing skills, no huge investment. Just clear structure, consistent character design, and compelling storytelling. Because at the end of the day, viewers don't stay for animation quality. They stay for emotional connection. Comfort feels safe. No pressure, no stress. But comfort slowly becomes a silent trap. When you stay too comfortable, your brain stops growing. It chooses easy instead of necessary. Days pass, weeks pass. You feel busy, but nothing truly changes. Comfort kills discipline. And without discipline, dreams don't explode. They fade quietly. Growth begins where comfort ends. Discomfort is the price of progress, so choose discomfort today or live with regret tomorrow. Comfort feels safe. It feels warm. It feels easy. But comfort is not always your friend. Your brain loves comfort because it wants easy choices. Scroll more, sleep more, start tomorrow. Every time you choose comfort, you choose slow growth. You feel busy, but you are not moving forward. Days pass, time moves, and nothing really changes. Comfort makes you feel okay with staying the same, while your dreams quietly wait. Growth feels uncomfortable. It feels hard, feels scary. It pushes you, stretches you, and tests you. But discomfort is the door to change. Comfort keeps you stuck in the same place. Growth sets you free.